Hey, yo, this is Dash, and today I'm going to be talking to you again about my toolbox.
Get ready.
So if you didn't see it, at the end of last year, Bumpy asked me to give you guys a toolbox tour. So I gave you a toolbox tour, and that was the last Ask Dash video of the year. And there is my toolbox, or there was my toolbox. And in that video, I alluded to the fact that I bought a new tool cart. Stepping on something. A new tool cart. And I wanted to show you guys, this is the tool cart. So this is a 6-drawer tool cart that I picked up from Harbor Freight. And I am going to be, not slowly, but I'm going to be trying to pull my tools out of that my primary toolbox and move them, migrate them into this tool cart. And I've been working on it, and I have been acquiring some organizational tools. This was in the old toolbox. We have some other organizational things. These are rails for, this is 1/4 inch. We have some, this is 3/8, and then there's 1/2 inch ones here as well. Some wrench organizers, of course, tools to work with, putting the tools together. This, I can't remember. Oh, this is like a wrench breaker bar, like a cheater for the wrench. More wrench organization. Well, these are wrench trays. I'm not sure if I'm going to use those wrench trays. More tools that I didn't have, other things that I bought on sale, some gloves. These things, actually, I tried to use these things. I think I'm going to take those back. They did not work as well as I would have liked. But I want to show you guys, I won't say the process, but my progress so far on what I've gotten done, what I've started. So I'm going to bring you guys along so that I can kind of keep this for myself and show the progress. So the top of the box so far has turned into 1/2 inch stuff. These are all 1/2 inch sockets, and I'm trying to decide how I want to organize this. So 1/2 inch chrome, 6-point. We got, these are some 12 points more. So these are metric, obviously. These are SAE, and I can't, well, one of these is metric and one of these is SAE, and these are SAE, but you know, impact. So they're shallow, and some of these are 12 points, some of them are not. So we got shallow, 6 points, and some of these are 12 points, depending on if I had that particular size. So I have some that I'm missing, then some extras. So those seem to all be 12 points, but they're like 12-point doubles. Another 12-point double, and those are chrome. Some impact doubles. This is an exclusive 10 mil set. Some extensions. Again, these are all 1/2 inch, and I'm not quite sure what I'm doing with the size of the top here, but I have my sockets up there so far, some of the sockets, and this is where I'm at the moment for the top drawer. A lot of times I've seen, and those of you guys who've seen some toolbox tours, a lot of times most guys put all their sockets in the top drawer. Well, this isn't big enough for me to put all my sockets in the top drawer. At least, however I have tried to configure this, it's not. Then I have more sockets. These are 3/8 over here and 1/4 inch over here. I still have not gone through all of the sockets that I have in order to try to fill these trays up, but this is a pretty decent representation of what I have so far. These trays I got off of Amazon. I will try to leave a link down in the bottom for anything. So these trays I got from Harbor Freight. They actually work really well. And the trays are SAE metric, and they came in 3/8, 1/4 inch both. And then these up here again, same 3/8, or excuse me, 1/2 inch SAE and 1/2 inch metric. So those of you guys who, maybe there's some of you guys who don't know what I'm talking about, and other of you guys who are like, yes! I'm a big tool guy, if you couldn't tell. So I had to plug the camera in. Let's see here. All right, so organizational things. The worst part of trying to reorganize stuff is the teardown part, and that's where I am right now. So this third drawer, oh, this is where I started taking care of the wrenches. I have a lot of wrenches. I have a lot of wrenches. Some of them better than others, and I plan to probably get some newer, better wrenches. So here's some of my bigger wrenches here. And then I have a whole other drawer of more wrenches, more sockets. Some of these, you know, ratcheting wrenches that are kind of odd sized, old ratchets. Yeah. So I have a long way to go, but I figured I would bring you guys along so you can see the progress, and I'd introduce you to the new tool cart. I'm going to keep working at it, and as I work at it, I will give you guys some updates maybe every couple weeks. If you ask for them, if you want more updates, please let me know. If you're like, I don't give a good gosh darn about your tool cart or your tools in your garage, then let me know that too. Either way, I still have to work out here, and I have a grandiose plan to get my van in this area, this section back here, and to fix it myself.
Flashback.
Unfortunately, all of that moisture in the tailpipe, there we go, maybe you can see, in the tailpipe and on the ground is indication that I have a serious problem with a head gasket. I've been quoted like $6,000 for this repair.
End of flashback.
So that's one of the reasons, or a motivating factor as to why I'm trying to get my tools together, trying to get my tool cart together, and see if I can get Vanna back on the road. So if you're here for it, please comment below and let me know. Oh, can't wait to be brought along while you fix up the garage or clean up the garage and fix Vanna in the process. Or if you're just here for barbecue, say shut up and cook.
Shut up and cook.
Either way, I would like to hear from you. So, all right. So I had to do some work on Taste Tester #1's car, and I ended up, I won't say sneaking, but coming back out to the garage once I was done. And this is the progress I've made so far. All right. So my wrenches are looking better. I have not labeled anything just yet, and then I got these wrenches that I don't actually use, but they kind of fit decently in the middle there. But if I were to get some ratcheting wrenches, maybe they would go in here. So I don't quite know. You know, the top unchanged and the second drawer unchanged. But I did have to come down here. I used this. We needed to remove the seat and the seat belt latch on his car, and we fixed it with this kit. This is a triple square kit. I could have done it with these, but you know, it is what it is. But I'm still trying to figure it out. But with the wrenches, getting the wrenches organized, I did kind of put this back together with some doubles and some extras. So at least this drawer is pretty decent. Nothing there. This is still a mess, an overflow mess. These, I don't even know where I got these wrenches from, but these are like, they say drop forged and made in Taiwan. I opted to use some of the, I have some, these are Stanley wrenches, and it doesn't say, oh, it says Taiwan. But so some Stanley ratcheting wrenches, and then Pittsburgh wrenches, open end wrenches, and some bigger sizes, some ones that didn't fit here that were too big for this. But so far, that's where I am as far as progress. I haven't started working on a pliers drawer yet. So that's the next drawer. Oh, speaking of, this is the pliers drawer. So pliers, hammers, adjustable wrenches, pipe wrenches. Whew. that's gonna be the next time I tackle, or next time I have some time to come out here. As you can see, it's cold, but I'm going inside. So this, I guess I'll put this video in between the end of the video. Anyway, thanks again. Show the end of the video. So thank you very much, as always, for watching. I know this one is not barbecue related, and I'm not going to apologize because all of the videos can't be barbecue related. I do so many other things aside from barbecue. Anyway, look here, look, it is barbecue related. There's Vicky right in the background. Anyway, thank you guys again so very much, as always, for watching. I will try and remember to, when I'm doing the edit, to put some links to some of the things that I purchased down below, so that if you are in need of some toolbox organization, some updated tools, whatever the case may be, I can help you find it, because I'm telling you, there's no worse thing than watching toolbox tour videos on YouTube, seeing tools you don't have, and you're like, oh, I want that. And that's
shut up and take my money.
How I am right now. Or that's where I am right now. So I'm gonna say thank you again, and I'll see you guys next time.